charred radicchio salad. I've got sectioned pieces of orange, blood orange, and grapefruit. And we're going to marry the citrus with the charred radicchio. Oh my God. And throw in some parsley and celery tops and red onion. And we're going to make the dressing right now just in a mason jar. So this is calamansi vinegar. You can buy it online. You can use just regular white wine vinegar, whatever you have in the pantry, or white balsamic, or red wine vinegar for that matter. I like this one because calamansi is a citrus, and it has this really bright, gorgeous, rich flavor to it. So I'm going to throw some of that in. I'm a little obsessed with this product, actually. I use it a lot. I'm going to add some fresh thyme. I'm going to add a little sprinkle of sugar. Again, we're balancing the bitterness of the charred radicchio with about 2 teaspoons of sugar and the citrus, of course, itself. We're going to add about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And then about the same amount of EVOO. Nice fancy one. And we're going to add some lemon and orange zest as well. Oh, a good round tablespoon combined. Salt and pepper. And we love garlic in everything, so I'm going to add 1 clove of grated garlic. You can skip that if you want to keep it more kind of innocuous and just let the citrus stand up for itself. I mean, the citrus action in there is already delicious. I mean, look at that. Yum! We're going to spray down our quartered radicchio with a little olive oil. Season it with a little salt and pepper. And throw it under the broiler to char it. We have the charred radicchio and our beautiful, look at those jewel tones of all of our citrus, the blood orange, the seedless orange, and the grapefruit. To that, I'm going to add celery tops and some flat leaf parsley and some thinly sliced red onion. I know. And then to that, we're going to add our beautiful dressing.